video, and in this video I'm going to show you a best affiliate marketing platform that you can get into as a complete beginner. And the amazing thing about these affiliate marketing programs or affiliate marketing platform is that they can pay you as high as $50 to $200 as an affiliate. So the amazing thing is that you can even do all of this stuff with your smartphone. No matter, no location barrier, no restriction, you can get into this platform with your smartphone. And in this video I'm going to show you this affiliate marketing platform that you can get to, and how you can exploit these affiliate marketing platforms and use it to make as $50 to $200 as a commission for each sales you make. So if this what interests you, that you want to know, or how you can get into any of these affiliate marketing platform, then stay to the end of this video as I walk you through the best affiliate marketing platform that you can get into as a complete beginner. So before we get into it, my name is Osakwe Nelson Uchenna. Maybe this is your first time visiting my channel. My name is Osakwe Nelson Uchenna, and in this channel I make videos around affiliate marketing, around blogging, around any of that stuff that has to help you in making money online. So if this what interests you, then you can kindly subscribe to the channel so that we can grow this community together. So now let's dive into top affiliate marketing platform that you can earn as high as $50 to $200 per commission. That interesting. So let's get in. So number one affiliate marketing platform we have here is Qservers. Qservers has an affiliate programs, and many of us who know what is Qservers. Qservers is an SEO tool which you can use for doing a keyword research. Many of us knows it. If you're a blogger, if you're into internet marketing, you should know what Qservers affiliate programs is, or what Qservers is. Qservers, you use it to do a thorough SEO keywords. You use it to get keyword that people are searching for. You use it to get to know what people are searching for. You know the search value, you know the DA, you know the difficulty of that particular keyword you are searching for. So with Qservers SEO, you can get all of that. And the amazing thing is that Qservers has given the content creator, bloggers, internet marketer the opportunity to earn from their platform by giving content creator, internet marketer the opportunity of joining the affiliate program. And that affiliate program of Qservers is basically open to everyone. It's basically open to everyone. And the amazing thing is that once you drive a lead to Qservers, for your first lead that you drive, whether they buy or did not buy, Qservers is going to give you access to earn $10 free commission. Whether the person purchase, whether the person subscribe, whether the person does not subscribe, you are going to earn $10 as a sign-up fee. Are you getting me? And the amazing thing about Qservers affiliate program that you can earn as high as $200 for anyone that even go ahead to purchase Qservers too. So that is amazing thing, and you can see that Qservers is a very big affiliate marketing platform that you can actually get into. You can see Qservers, you can see their commission range, you can see trial fee. You look at it right here, trial fee, you can earn $10. Maybe you refer someone you refer, just try to do a trial, because with Qservers you have 7 days, a bit 30 days trial. So when the person go ahead to try Qservers for about 7 days or 30 days trial, and this trying period, you are not paying a dime for it. So when the person sign up for as a trial, you are going to earn a commission of $10 for the trial. That is amazing. And look at it, says if you make it, you are going to earn $300. This is amazing. There is no affiliate marketing platform you are going to get this kind of amazing commission, but with Qservers you are going to get all of that. And when the person still go ahead to purchase, you continue to earn. You see their commission range, you see $200, you see $100, see $100, $50, and so on and so forth. So that is amazing thing about Qservers affiliate program. So all you need to do to actually scale this Qservers affiliate program is that you need to have a blog, either a blog or you have a YouTube channel where you can write content, where you can review Qservers either in your blog or on a YouTube channel, telling people about Qservers, how they can use it to make money for themselves, or how to use it to get a good easy keyword to rank, just like the way we have a vidIQ, just the way we have TubeBuddy. That is how you can also use Qservers to get quality, easy keyword to rank to. So one of the best affiliate marketing program that you can get into even as a complete beginner is Qservers, and it is very easy. So all you need to do, just come down here where it says become an affiliate, become a partner. You click on become a partner, then you go ahead to sign up an account as a Qservers affiliate partner program, and you are good to go. It's very, very simple, very, very simple. You can just go ahead, sign up with your information and all of that, and you are good to go. And the amazing thing, if you have an account on Impact, you can just go ahead to sign up an account through Impact, and you are good to go. So the number 2 affiliate program that we have on our list that can pay beginner as high as $50 to $200 is GetResponse affiliate program. Many of us know about GetResponse affiliate program. With GetResponse affiliate program, you can earn as high as 60% commission for every referral by promoting GetResponse. And that is an amazing thing. And with GetResponse, you are sure of your commission. You are sure of your commission. So GetResponse, I said, is an email marketing platform. So if you are email marketing guy, you do email marketing, or you have people who you can put into email marketing business, you can use GetResponse. Give them your GetResponse affiliate link. They sign up, you earn your 60% commission. And this commission you are earning from GetResponse is a recurring commission. It's not just once commission. You keep on earning this commission every single month. This person continue to pay. Is that not amazing? The person will continue to pay. You continue to earn your commission. It's an amazing stuff. So if this is what interests you, so I want you to go ahead to try GetResponse, because it's an amazing stuff. Look at someone who has been promoting GetResponse as an affiliate, and he has made over $90,000 just promoting GetResponse on his YouTube channel. I know this particular guy is a Ghanaian guy which is writing making reviews about GetResponse on his YouTube channel, and you can see he has made over $90,000. So all you just need to do is come down to this place where it says sign up. You sign up on GetResponse affiliate program, and you are good to go. And meanwhile, you can also sign up on GetResponse through Partner Stack. You can also sign up through Partner Stack and Impact. So GetResponse is the number 2 affiliate program that you can get into as a beginner. Then the third one is ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, many of us know ClickFunnels. If you are into online marketing, you should know ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels, you basically use it to build a landing page, a sales funnel, a thank you page, and so many other pages that you can use to drive traffic. So all you need to do is that you need to just put in your information, your first name, your email address, password, last name, phone number, and you confirm your password, and you sign up an account. You choose your country here, and you sign up an account. You create your account, simple and straight, so you get into ClickFunnels affiliate program. ClickFunnels also pay very well with the affiliate program. Meanwhile, I don't actually know the actual amount they pay per sales that you make on ClickFunnels, but with what I'm researching, ClickFunnels pay very well with their affiliate program. So you can also get into ClickFunnels affiliate program and explore it for yourself. Then the number 4th one we have on our list here is WP Engine. WP Engine is another cool affiliate is another cool platform that has an affiliate program. So this basically, they have a lot of plugins. This particular affiliate program, they have a lot of plugins that you can use. So the amazing thing is, when you refer someone to purchase their plugins or to purchase their themes, you are going to earn an affiliate commission. So that is the amazing thing about WP Engine, because many people are using plugins and themes to build their platform, to build their website. And if you have clients or you have students who can who need any of these plugins, who need any of these tools, you can just sign up as an affiliate on WP, get your affiliate link sent to them. They use your affiliate link to purchase, and you earn your commission. This is how all this stuff works. You have students, you have clients, you have a friend who want to purchase one stuff and the other. You can just make a research about that particular stuff. You sign up as an affiliate, you get your affiliate link, you send it to your friend, you send it to your colleague, you send it to your brother, anyone that wants to purchase. You tell them, basically, this is my affiliate link, I want you to use it to purchase the stuff from them, and I'm going to earn affiliate commission without any additional cost to them. So, and many of them that have good art will go ahead to use the affiliate link to purchase that particular stuff you want them to purchase. So that is the amazing thing about all of these things. So this is how we do all this stuff. You can just get so many of them in a Facebook group, in a WhatsApp group. You see them making a require about a particular plugin or about a particular tool. You can just go ahead, sign up on that platform, and you get an affiliate link and send it over to them. So another one, the fourth one we have here, the fifth one is Fiverr affiliate. Many of us don't know that Fiverr has an affiliate program, but if you don't know, I am telling you now that Fiverr has an affiliate program which you can sign up. Many of us know Fiverr. Fiverr is a platform where you list services. People go there, they purchase. People go there, they list what they do and all of that, and you can sign up as an affiliate on Fiverr. Sign up as an affiliate on Fiverr and begin to promote Fiverr with your affiliate link. Maybe someone wants to purchase you, someone is looking for who can design a graphic, who can design a good logo, a company logo, a brand logo. You can just come to Fiverr, you sign up as an affiliate, you get a link of a good graphic design and stuff. You get the affiliate link, you send to your friend, you tell your friend to go to Fiverr and purchase it, and when your friend purchases it, you're going to earn a commission. That is how all this stuff works. Even web design, web development, app development, you can get an affiliate link on Fiverr and send to whosoever that want to purchase, or whosoever that want to ask somebody to do that particular stuff, and when they go ahead to purchase or to ask someone, you're going to earn an affiliate commission. This is how all this stuff works. So if you have not signed up on Fiverr affiliate programs, you can kindly go on to Fiverr and sign up as an affiliate. All you need to do, come down here, click on join, and you sign up as an affiliate, and you be good to go. So you can just go on and sign up as an affiliate. Their affiliate program sign up is very simple, very simple. So all you need to do, input your information, your first name, last name, email address, your username, password, confirm password, account. Are you going with private? Private is one person operation, and this is better private. You go with the private option, then you go ahead, fill the remaining information, you sign up an account, and you are good to go. So the last and not the least in our review is Bluehost. Many of us know Bluehost. Bluehost is one of the biggest recommended web hosting platform in the internet. Are you getting me? And the amazing thing about Bluehost is that you can earn $65 as a per sale. I'm not talking about 2 sales or 3 sales. For each sales, each person or each sales you make on Bluehost, you are going to earn $65. This is amazing commission. Are you getting me? And you see that recently Bluehost has been upgrading. You see, they have migrated ChatGPT, they have migrated Cloud, they have migrated Jamming, and the Greek, and all for others. And you see, you are just paying $20 per month if you are to use all this stuff. So Bluehost is currently upgrading speedily, and you can see that if you join Bluehost affiliate program, you can see to right here that you are earning $65 or more per qualified sales. Anybody that you refer into Bluehost to purchase a hosting, to purchase a domain, to purchase anything, you are going to earn amazing $65, which is very possible for anyone to achieve. If you are into web development, you're a blogger, you are into internet stuff, you can achieve more of this every single month, referring someone to purchase a domain. This is what we do. All you need to do, someone is looking for a platform, a good hosting company to purchase a domain and hosting, you can kindly go to Bluehost, sign up as an affiliate, get an affiliate link sent to him or her. They use your link and you get your commission. That is just very simple. It's not difficult. And if you're a blogger, you can just write a review around Bluehost. Bluehost review: is Bluehost trustworthy? How is reliable is Bluehost? And all of those kind of keywords that you can write around Bluehost, and you see that you are going to be making a lot of sales just using Bluehost affiliate program alone. So their sign up is still different. It's still very simple. You can either sign up through Partner Stack or you can sign up through Impact. So whichever method that suits you. And if you are an affiliate in Impact, you can just go ahead, sign up on Bluehost, and you are good to go. So guys, these are best affiliate marketing program that you can actually join as a beginner, that you can earn at least $50 to $200 every single sales you make. And this is an amazing thing. So if this what interests you, that you want to give it a try, you can kindly go ahead and sign up and give it a try. So, and if you are an affiliate to any of this platform, kindly let me know at the comment section that I'm an affiliate to any of this platform. So let's see how we can exploit this platform. And if you have any question, don't forget to leave them at the comment section of this video, and I'll be there to reply all of your requests. So guys, I will see you on our next video.